What is going on, everybody? It is Fitzmiller, the 240, and Katie back here with another video. Today, we are getting ready to dive into episode 3. We're going to be changing the rotors out, simple enough. And we're also going to be demolding, taking off the front bumper and rear bumper, getting ready to trade it for a pig nose front, whatever the stock rear end of a pig nose is. Road to painting it is on the way. I have not gotten money back for my coilovers yet. I found another set of coilovers to buy. If you guys have not watched episode 2, where we redid the interior away from candy sussy red, go check it out. Without further ado, let's get right into today's video. Special Squirt makes an appearance for episode 3. Miracle Squirt, Special Squirt.
Piss sauce.
Piss sauce. Secret formula. Really. We're gonna coat down all the caliper bolts with the shit, move to the kit, let this stuff soak in, come back to the brakes. We're starting with removing the front bumper. We've got a couple on the sides of the fenders. It looks like it's like fiberglass to the crash bar or whatever, so that's crazy. We might have to break out the old Sawzall. 1 or 2 up here and just those screws on the corner, I think, but it's on there, man. Unplugging the lights. This thing's like ready to come off already.
Yeah, this
like way too easy.
This was not really held on anymore. It was just paint that cracked, but it's connected there.
Okay,
well,
let's go, baby. Just 2 dudes hanging out. It was indeed fiberglass to the chassis. So at the back bumper, we've got 2 more of these screws on each side. We've literally only taken out the screws.
oh my god.
That's still attached, no?
Oh, I think it was connected with these screws, but they just ripped out.
What screws?
Right here.
Alright.
Yeah. Let's go. Look how much dirt there is. Ew.
There's definitely another screw down there, but that's okay.
There's so much dirt.
Oh, crazy. It's like going to the beach. You got all that fucking sand in your pants, you know? If anybody knows how to identify this kit, let me know. I tried like dusting off to read it, but obviously it's too far gone. But if you know what this sticker looks like or what this kit might be, please let me know. This was way too easy, to be honest with you. We're also gonna take off the skirt. There was a self-tapper back here. There's a couple down like under the door. And I think there's like 1 or 2 up front, but we're gonna go ahead and take the skirts off as well, so that when we have the new kit ready, the new bumpers ready, we can just sand the body, sand the kit, and get spraying it. Skirt number 1.
No helmet. Let's go. Dirty as hell too. Oh my god.
All right. Number 2. Just a KA. Me too, dude. Single jingle. Let's go. Here are the rotors. Who's got the Nardi in here flexing on me already? Come on now.
What up?
What up, dude? Happy Friday. You're good.
You too.
Birds were playing down paintball with you, bro. Step 1 is trying to break this shit loose, which so far has been impossible. This is the contraption we've devised to break the caliper bolt loose. So I'm hoping this does it. Come on. Come on. Did I do it? The Special Squirt and the jack leverage has done it. We're gonna crack this bottom one loose, I think. Holy shit, did it do it? Or is it stripping? No way. No way, live on camera? Oh yeah. Dude, shout out the Squirt, go make you some. Now that the top one's out, bottom one's loose, in theory, this puppy should just kind of Oh yeah, we're beat. All right, well, we're gonna be doing a lot of fucking rust brying, huh?
Pretty sure they came rusted from the factory.
Get fucked. Ew. Like what the, like freshies? No, but they're a lot fresher. You're gonna have to trust me. Come on, baby. I'm not doing it. I'm not going down the rabbit hole. Oh, I should do pads. Third time is the charm. We finally got the right brake pads. Huge shout out to Will. He came and popped them in this morning, so that frees us up to do the next thing. Tonight we are getting into the coilovers. It should be super simple. Fingers crossed. Those are like famous last words. Huge shout out to Peter for bringing these down from VA after getting scammed for the last set of coils. We got some Tines type flexes, simple but coilovers, and this is what we're looking for. So there's 5 bolts to toss this puppy in the front. Let's get it.
I tried. Alright, so we got all the top 3 bolts out. And then working on the bottom.
One big bitch is out. Y'all don't know what it just took to get this out. We're putting the new coilover in. Probably the first set of coilovers I've had that haven't been seized. So we've got them both to the same height. They're not torqued down yet, but we'll do that when they're in the car and ready to go on the ground. So we put those top 3 bolts in first and then jacked up the hub. I don't know how you're supposed to do it. That's how we did it. Yeah, baby. Okay, loosen. Oh wow, brake loose.
A little more.
Maybe a little more. Oh, let's go. This last bolt is not coming out. You can't make this up, dude.
No.
You can't make it up. Come on! Hurry. Come on, bitch.
Oh my god.
God bless America. We're fucking free. Let's go. We're maxing them out. Listen to him, the bushings are great on this car. 10K OBO, I know what I got. You're laughing now, but I'm listing it for 10K OBO when it's done. We got new bolts, because those last ones were fried. We're going for a world record putting this coilover in.
Never seen that.
Watch this. Go. Sounds pretty good. $204. $304. There are so many mosquitoes at my door. We are finishing the rear coilovers today. No more messing around. There is 2 12s, I believe, on top, and one like 17 on the bottom. There's 3 bolts.
Little ball joint type deal, I guess.
3 bolts per rear coil, so it's already about to come out. Analog wrench.
Peasant wrench. The bottoms came off extremely easy. Yeah, it's coming out. Yawn.
Comes out this way.
Oh my god, this trim, dude. I need like pliers or something. Quick time event. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I almost lost my job.
Oh, I don't mind the paint. Yo, can somebody grab my nuts up there?
I got your nuts, dude.
Appreciate it.
Couple.
2 in a row, baby.
My hands are dirty.
Real. So we are starting with the top bolts and then jacking up the hub to connect the bottom.
Okay, wait, you mean like YouTube?
Oh, I mean,
Or you mean them?
I mean, you can tell
It has
chat,
to-
but I would tell.
It can't be
Nah,
on the
because
internet.
it's some shit I...
The rear coilovers are now in. I put that cap back. So the coils are good to go. That's gonna be it for this video. Be sure to tune in next week for the start of the bodywork video on the 240. For those subscribe, leave a like, leave a comment, and I'll see you guys next week for real. We're getting ready to sand this thing right now. So go check out this video if you're watching in the future. Go check out the next one. And yeah, thanks for watching. Peace.